Good morning. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 13. I don't even know no more. But I am actually sitting in the car. It's raining today. Waiting for a doctor's appointment. I'm like, of course, 25 minutes early per usual. So I'm just sitting in here listening to the radio, scrolling through my phone. So, and then my son and I each have an optometrist appointment later on today. So it is just a rainy day full of doctor's appointments. Not quite sure what we're having for dinner yet, but I'm kind of trying to think that through too. But just wanted to say good morning, have a great day, and we will see y'all later. All right, y'all, just left my doctor's appointment, and now I stopped at Krispy Kreme to get some coffee. And I also got a donut, can't even lie. So that's what I'm doing right now. My all-time favorite donut is the cream-filled one. Oh snap, today's Monday. I forgot. Oh yeah. At this point, I gotta pick another day. All right, y'all, we are now out to dinner at the 80/20 Burger Bar. As you can tell, it's mostly burgers. Y'all know what 80/20 means, right? Y'all know what, you know what 80/20 stands for?
80% beef, 20% fat.
Yep. And those are tonight's specials. As far as the drinks go, we're the only ones here because they open at 5 and it's only 5:10. So what should we get, y'all? We're looking at appetizers. Avian wants fried pickles, which I also like fried pickles, but I really have my heart set on these on this green tomato stack.
Why don't we get all three or all two?
What?
What we call seven?
Dre don't want none of that.
No, absolutely.
Huge serving of fried green fried pickles. I wanted the fried green tomatoes, but these are good too. Huge. All right, got a fried green tomato. Oh, Avian is about to go in. right, here's the moment of truth. It might be too hot, but we'll see. You want to see, is it? Yeah, you should have tasted it before you wasted my ice cream.
Taste good.
Let's see the lava.
I don't think it's no lava.
It is. It's the chocolate chips. They should be in there somewhere. Is it good for real?
Ice cream makes it better.
Here, like, put your fork all the way deep in there.
No
Really?
lava.
No lava? This is supposed to be a lava cake.
I mean, at least it's good.
On a scale from 1 to 5, how is it? Would you make it again?
Probably. It's a 2.
A 2. There's the lava. Nope.
No lava, that's ice cream.
Well, the water's come and get next to me. Tell me all your fantasies. See, life is like a movie, and I'ma show you things you probably never seen before.